Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto Off channel. This channel I talk about cryptocurrencies, I drop crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I'm sure a lot of you that have been familiar with my introduction, the way I introduce myself on this channel. And trust me, this particular video I want to make, I'm going to just talk about this. Because this is going to be my last video for the end of this year. I'll be giving you guys one advice, and I'm going to give you that advice. That advice is very important. It's an advice that helped me in the cryptocurrency space, and I feel I should just let you guys know because we are growing together. We are in the same community. I love you guys and all. I've been in this space and I've seen a lot of people lose money, and I've seen people make money. But most people lose money than they make money. And the question is that supposed to be so? Well, that is it. It happens. Cryptocurrency, there's time you lose, there's time you gain. But there are some times that the loss you make is not based on the fact that you're supposed to lose money, just based on the fact that you're careless, you're not you could have done things better, you're not smart enough to do some things right, and you were impatient. And I'm giving just one advice by like as the end of this year, because this will be my last video, officially my last video for the year. We'll see in 2022. I'll be giving one advice. One important advice you should learn in cryptocurrency is that you need to be very patient. Patience is the most important thing you must learn. If you are not able to control yourself when you see the price of a token going up, massively up, going very high, you cannot control yourself. Trust me, you're going to struggle in this game. The ability for you to see a token go up and you don't FOMO in, you don't jump in because everybody are screaming and they're jumping, and you are relaxed, you're waiting patiently for a right buying position, a right time where the price is normal, you understand, before you buy. That is what will fetch you a whole lot of money. You don't need to invest your money in a project because everybody are investing. You need to invest because you have done your research. If you are so impatient that you cannot do a research before you invest in a project, be ready to take anything that comes with it, right? There are so many advice people will give you, you understand. I will just give you one advice: never rush to invest in anything. And that is why I see a lot of people comment, which token can I invest today, which one can I invest tomorrow that can fetch me money, which one can I do this. I would never rush to give you any advice, because once I tell you to invest your money in a project, once your money is in, that is the end. It's either you come with a profit or you come out with a loss, you understand. If you're very fortunate, you might break even, but most times it's either you lose or you win. So for you to win, you need to reduce all your chances of losing, and one of the ways you can reduce your chances of losing is for you to do your own analysis. Know the reason why you're investing, like cross all the T's, dot all the I's. If you have any iota of doubt, or you are suspicious, you feel any sort of way, it's better you don't invest. It's rather for you to still keep your money to yourself than to lose your money in the process of trying to gain more. So the most important advice I would tell you to learn, you should pick. There are so many advices out there. Learn to be patient and to do your own research, guys. That is why no matter what I say, I still tell you to do your own research, because I could be wrong. I'm human being. I make mistakes too. I could say something about a project and it ends up turning the other way around and all, but when you do your research and you are patient enough to enter the right price, anything that comes out, you would not be too hard on yourself, because you knew you actually followed your heart. And sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, and most importantly we learn. Like, we don't lose. When you lose, you learn from your mistakes. I love you guys. Thank you for your support, thank you for your love, thank you for everything. Thank you for watching my videos, liking my videos. I really want to see what we are going to achieve together in 2022. Bye for now, and happy new year to you guys. Let's see in 2022.